Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you how you can make YouTube thumbnail with Canva. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So the first thing that you will need to do is you need to create an account on Canva. I have already created one and you don't have to go for their plans. So they have some advanced plan also where you if you want you can take it. I will leave a link in the description. You can use my link. If not, then free is more than enough. So once you're here on the home screen, you can either click on YouTube thumbnail over here directly, or else if it's not showing, you can just search for YouTube thumbnail and we'll wait for it to load and we'll click on the search term. Now all you have to do is you need to go ahead and create a blank YouTube thumbnail, or you can already use the existing one as you can see. So some of them are paid and some of them are free. For example, this one is free and this one is paid. So I will go ahead and create a blank thumbnail over here. So we'll wait for it to load again. It, it's taking a bit of time for the loading. And now as you can see, this is a blank template over here. You can go ahead and add few elements from this. Like if you want to add graph, then you simply search for graph over here. And if you click on it, it will be added to your thumbnail as you can see over here. Now I will go ahead and delete it. Now if we go in design, then there are these results over here which some of them you can use for free. For example, I will click on this. So if you have a investment or a finance channel, you can use this theme and you can change the font and everything over here and change the text. So I will just write financial updates. You can also increase and decrease the font size over here. As you can see, I'm decreasing it so it matches the image and the rest of the fonts. Now, since this is a paid one, as you can see, it's asking me to remove the watermark. There are a lot of free ones which you can use. And after you are done creating the thumbnail, all you have to do is click on share and click on download. So once you click on the download, the thumbnail would be downloaded on your computer and you can go ahead and put it as a thumbnail on your YouTube video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.